Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech. And in today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to fix Pocket Broker app not working. So first of all, launch App Store or Google Play Store according to your mobile devices. Now, let's tap on the search option at the bottom right corner. Let's go to the search bar and then search for Pocket Broker application. Now from here, tap on the application on top. Now over here, instead of the option of open, if you see the option of update, tap on it and make sure that the application is updated to its latest version. By updating the application, you will be able to fix bug errors and app issues. Another step you could do in order to fix your issue is that launch settings on your mobile devices. Once you come here, scroll down below and tap on the category of apps. From here, you could directly search for Pocket Broker application. Once you come here, scroll down below, tap on the option of storage. Now at the bottom right corner, you'll see the option of clear cache. If you tap on it, you'll be able to solve your issues of your application. So this is it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.